Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes. Welcome to the first edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today's cover and guitar tutorial is a song called ROCK in the USA. It was written by John Mellencamp. It was the third release off of his smash 1985 album Scarecrow. Let's take a few minutes now to look at the chords and the chord progression to this great song. Okay, the chords in this particular song are very easy. There are 4 chords that he uses. First chord is an E major chord. He uses an A major chord. There's a D chord in it. And then just as he gets to the bridge of the chorus, he uses a B major chord. Now let's take a look at the strumming to this song. It goes something like this. And that's it. Those are the same 4 chords through the entire song. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to mic it up. As you see here, I'm going to use a little bit of a backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. We're going to play the song all the way through. Practice that a few times and be ready to join me.
Come from the cities, come from the smaller towns. Beat up cars and guitars and drummers going crack, boom, boom, bang. ROCK in the USA, ROCK in the USA, ROCK in the USA, rockin' in the USA. Said goodbye to the family, said goodbye to the friends. With pipe dreams in their head, little money in their hand. Some are black and some are white. Ain't you proud to sleep on the floor tonight? With blind faith in Jesus, you know that they just might. Rockin' in the USA. Oh yeah. Voices from nowhere, voices from the larger town. Fill our heads full of dreams, turn the world upside down. There was Frankie Lyndon, Baba Fool, Mitch Ryder, Jackie Wilson, Shangri-Las, and Young Rascals, Spotlight of Martha Reeves, and don't forget James Brown. Rockin' in the USA. Oh yeah, rockin' in the USA. Oh yeah, rockin' in the USA.
And there you have it, ROCK in the USA, written by John Mellencamp, a great song. Thanks for tuning in to My Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. Till the next time, keep playing.